Ang gusto nyo ay chismis online, ang kailangan nyo ay Star Talk plugged in. And here are our intriguing celebrity updates from Vanessa Del Moral.
I'd rather feel warm with my blanket than feel cold with you.
Naamoy LQ ba ito? Well, for sure naman maaayos yan. Gaya ni Ryan and Juday, who tweeted,
G.O.D. Thank you for giving me the Mr. Right of my life.
Oh, okay, sandali lang ha, kikiligin lang ako. Ito naman, galing kay Agot Isidro.
Calories! Tiny creatures that live in your closet and sew your clothes a little bit tighter every night.
Oo nga, kaya pala sumisikip tong mga damit ko kapag ka-Christmas. Mas sprayan nga ng calorecticide ang closet ko. From Hayden ko naman.
It's too cold here. I don't want to take a bath anymore. I'm spraying 20 pumps of perfume on myself na lang.
Too much info, Hayden. Too much info. Tweet naman ni Rocco Nasino.
My beagle died today. He got run over. He didn't make it.
Oh, wawa ka naman. Okay, come. Give me a hug. Come on, I'll give you a hug. Ika na. Ito na. Meanwhile, ang tweet ni Ervic Vihandre.
Okay sana, pamimigay ko ng posters. Nang bigla ko naisip na iba to lahat ng hawak ko. Ayun, pati microphone na bato ko. Haha, sorry sa tinamaan.
Ang masasabi ko lang ay umuulan ng mic. Say ni Iwa Moto.
Don't let him have the satisfaction of knowing that you'll always be there waiting. Time to wake up.
Oo, girl. Oy, wake up na. Kundi pagising mo, etong sa'yo, Iwa. Ang masasabi ko lang ay, ouch! Era Madrigal posted.
Wow, I just met the Miss Odette Can and she knows who I am. Nakaka-lurky.
Sure ka bang si Miss Odette Can talaga yon? As in, the Odette Can. Eh, dapat nagpasampal ka ng bongga just to make sure. And finally, we have several pics posted by no other than @Regine V. Alcacid or Ate Reg on Twitter.
Si Nate! Si Nate na lagi na lang si Nate! Si Nate na walang malay! Si Nate na walang ibang gustong gawin kundi dumede! Si Nate! Si Nate!
Wow! Cutest ever! Tisoy na tisoy na tisoy! Ikaw na, Ate Reg. Ikaw na ang marunong gumawa ng tisoy. And that was your weekly celebrity yap dates. Tuloy-tuloy po ang ating Yap for Grabs 12 Tweets of Christmas. Araw-araw po ay namimigay ako ng mga premyo dito sa Twitter. Kaya tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-follow nyo sa @officialteamyap. Let's welcome Aljura Brenica or AJ_Brenica on Twitter. And also, tuloy-tuloy ang pag-follow sa @StarTalk_GMA7. Okay, we'll always keep you Yap-dated. This is Tim Yap, Unplugging.